There's an old adage that states that perception is reality.
I think we have a branding problem because when you look at the actual experience that's going on in each and every dealership across the country every day, it's absolutely wonderful, right? And it's improving every day. Sure, we have our missed opportunities, but as far as most retail businesses go, dealerships are some of the best run operations in the country. But unfortunately, a few bad apples spoils the bunch and paints a broader reputational image that I don't think is aligned with our industry and where we have to go.
We at Intellicheck know all too well that perception is not always reality. And we've made it our mission to help dealers change that perception. Are you an automotive industry leader? Are you part of a dealership who thinks outside of the box? Are you finding ways to innovate and drive sales in your service department? If so, we'd love to interview you for our podcast and share the good news with others in the industry. If you haven't heard already, Intellicheck's Multi-Point Inspection podcast has been sharing success stories and fascinating perspectives on the changing landscape of the automotive industry.
We don't want to see what we've seen in the past with apprenticeships where you go out there, you work, then you get thrown to the wolves, you fail, and you don't come back and it's money wasted on both parts.
Yeah, man, I'm super impressed. I mean, I just drove 3.5 hours.
It's awesome.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
In each episode, we highlight industry leaders and speak with them about how they are rising to the occasion in response to such topics as EVs, tech shortages, social media marketing, and more. We understand that each market and each dealership is different. That's why we want to hear from you and potentially share your insights with our loyal listeners.
I know that the people here, Alan Samuels has good foresight. They're investing over $5 million to put in a brand new Hyundai facility. And that's what it's all about.
Yeah.
When you have people putting their money into business, that's a good sign.
Reach out at the contact info below to learn more about how you can be featured on the Multi-Point Inspection podcast and spread the word about what makes your business special.